Brooks, looks like tomorrow's your day.
Still could be tonight.
Still could be tonight.
Ain't over. Yep, just climbed that, came down, chasing noise. It's really on now. It's way easier.
How do you feel now that you're here, JD?
I feel better now. That drive sucked. I can't lie. I got about 3.5 hours into it, and I was like, I just want to turn around and go home. But I pushed through it.
I'm proud.
I've never shot a turkey.
He said, Bubba, you got your whole life to live. I've never shot a turkey. Come on, let me shoot it.
I handed him the gun and blasted it.
Love that.
So I figured, I mean, if I can't get a turkey in 2 days, then I suck. Especially if the turkeys are here.
Nah, man, they're here, buddy.
Y'all sipping on?
This is just beer.
A little Espolon, a little Sprite, a little ice.
Dude, we got some 1/2-inch cut pork chops, dude. It's going down. Wanted to fry them, but it's gonna take too long. The real magic, though, is gonna be in there. We're looking at that pot, that homemade gravy. Woo, son.
I've never made gravy. I've made everything across this United States, but no gravy. About to find out. This evening, me and Jesse were just in the blind. I heard probably every single turkey in the whole valley. Why are you so close? It was every single turkey in the county. So now we have some intel, and we're gonna approach tomorrow morning accordingly, and stay tuned for that.
You know, I ain't gonna go down there, you know. Dude, we left and we just walked the whole road, then we heard one, kept walking towards it. It was on the right side of the fence though. We walked up on it, we were probably like 70 yards away from it. Kind of got weary and it looked. I didn't stay on the ground very long.
We did. We stayed on the ground till 9 a.m. Did you hear anything?
I saw 2 hens run by. I mean, and they were booking it.
Is that a new fit?
Yeah, bro. It's the ghillie.
It's pretty sick.
Blending in out here, dog.
There was a gobble. I mean, it was probably over from here, like, that way.
Y'all didn't stay seated long.
8:30. I heard that one early in the morning.
Did those things even go in the ground this morning?
Yeah. That might have been the reason that the hens were running so fast away.
Your decoys?
Yeah.
Over the hill. I got the right shoes on for that.
tortas. Mucho fuerte.
Dude, stop, bro.
What I got in here. I completely forgot what we even need. We need more beer. Cigarettes, maybe. Tell you what, we ain't drinking.
Coors, the banquet beer.
That's all he's getting is 18. More than that.
You need 2 18s?
They don't have 24s.
No.
I guess 2 18s. They get some Miller stuff.
It's Miller and Anheuser-Busch.
No, it's not.
Check.
We don't fuck with that woke shit.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Jesus Christ.
What's up, Brooks?
Oh shit.
Get me the fuck out of here, dude.
I'll just step out on the cactus.
Is there a cactus here?
I'm a little drunk, so he caught me off guard. I mean, essentially, we're going back to Rio. Me and Brooks are going to be in the hole. Shay's going to be in the camera pit. We're looking for a double bird.
Smoke them. Smoke them. Dude. Bro, that was epic.
Oh my God, bro.
Dude, I couldn't wait another second. He was playing peekaboo with that tree and decoy.
Dude, he's a red motherfucker.
There's a stop sign.
It's tripping. Dude, I thought he was gonna scatter for a second, and I felt you tense up. It's epic.
It's my first turkey, boys.
What's the move now?